Alright, this is the overall study plan for CAT 21 and the non-CAT exam. I have divided the preparation into two parts. First is the basic. Step number one, part number one is basic, complete the basics, then go for the pro level and then revise everything before the CAT 21. So step one will cover up the basics. Then we'll go for the advanced level, pro level. That will be probably from July onward. So July 1 we'll go for the advanced level. And then last 1 month we're going to revise everything. So we are going to complete the syllabus 3 times before you sit for the CAT exam. So this is the plan you can follow on your own. So you can just take a screenshot of this thing, or in case you want to join our program, you can just join our program by calling the numbers here. So this Monday we are starting a new program, new batch. So in case you want to join, just call the numbers given in the description box so that we can start our program, or you can just call the numbers given here. Okay, here we're going to talk about the 10 most important topic of the quant section, which are like kind of very important and you can't afford to lose them. Yeah. Number one topic in that list is percentages. Percentages according to me is one of the most important topic. यार ये तुम कुछ भी करो कुछ भी छोड़ो ये मत छोड़ना बस. So importance wise, this is I'm talking about. The earlier video which I've made was the difficulty wise. This is importance wise. Number two is percentages. Again 2 question percentages. Functions every year 2 question based on functions. और एग्जामिनर को मालूम है कि ये बच्चा छोड़ के जाता है टॉपिक, तो पक्का डालता है. लॉगरिथम 2 क्वेश्चन अगेन. या लॉगरिथम सबसे आसान टॉपिक है, ट्रस्ट मी. दिस इज द मोस्ट अंडर वैल्यू टॉपिक. पब्लिक छोड़ के जाता है यार. गिनती के 4 फॉर्मूले, ओनली 4 फॉर्मूलाज इन दिस टॉपिक, 4 फॉर्मूला, दैट्स इट. Number 5 topic is area volume. Number 6 is numbers. Number 7 is time, speed, distance. These are the 7 topic which are definitely going to come for 2 question each. हर साल इसका 2-2, 3-3 क्वेश्चन तक आता ही आता है. तो these are the topic you can't afford to miss. तो 7 most important topic as per the importance wise, as per the number of questions coming in the exam, not as per the level of difficulty. Yeah, for example, if you want to talk about the level of difficulty, I would recommend doing coordinate geometry, trigonometry, then numbers. Numbers छोड़ दो अभी. ये हम अक्टूबर नवंबर में आके will talk about in October November. That leave numbers if in case you are not feeling comfortable. Do coordinate geometry and trigonometry. That I want to keep in a separate video. But this is more about the importance of the topics. यार ये नंबर ना रट्टा मार लो. Just rectify these number because I'm going to talk about this almost every day. To take away the fear of maths because the cutoffs are very low यार. तुम मैथ्स नहीं आता, ये नहीं आता यार, तुम कट ऑफ की बात करो ना. To get 70 percentile, all you need is 12 marks. Every mark question is divided by 3 marks. So 4 question correct net, not attempt, correct, is your 70 percentile. 80 percentile for OBC student 16 divided by 4 किया तो almost 6 question correct. 90 percentile is 23 divided by 8 question correct. 95 percentile is 30, 10 question correct. 99 percentile is 14 question correct, which is almost 42 marks. And if you further want to go high, 99.5 percentile is 16 question correct. Okay, so 48 marks. So this is your target. 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, 16. Even if you don't score 99, 95, no problem. Even if you are getting 90 to 95 percentile, you can still get most of the IIM calls. ऐसे देखो यार क्या चल रहा है यार. 26 क्वेश्चन में से आउट ऑफ 26 क्वेश्चन टू डू ओनली 8 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट, 10 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट. That's why I'm keeping the target. This is 11, 8, 10. I'm giving the target as 10, 10, 10. In all the 3 sections, score 10, 10, 10. Overall 30 question correct. You're definitely going to get the IIM calls. So maths अगर नहीं आता, no problem. If you can't improve maths, yeah, if you cannot kill the fear, control it. Yeah, if you can't stop, let's control it. And that's what we are going to do.